Hey guys, second mention with the video for you guys. In this video, we're going to talk about this no sound issue that you might experience on the iPhone 12 or the 12 Pro that Apple has recently announced a recall for, and they're going to be fixing those devices. There's a small percentage of the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro that could be impacted because of a faulty speaker module that Apple has announced today. So this is why we're making the video for you guys. So a couple things to note is the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro are the only two devices Apple has announced. So if you have the mini version here, as you can see, the mini, or the big one, the Pro Max, these are not covered in this recall. So unfortunately, if that is an issue with those, there's no recall as of right now unless Apple does change it. So we're gonna have to exclude those two phones, unfortunately. So they're not eligible to the regular 12 and the 12 Pro. That's going to be the ones with the two dual lens and the triple lens. So that's how you identify in the 12. And to wait to get support, there isn't a serial number lookup like Apple has done in the past. So you're going to have to do this method, which is either take it to the Apple store or simply get support from the Apple page. So if you look up Apple support, so if you Google that, Apple support, Google that and go to support.apple.com, you're going to want to go here. And once you go here, you're going to want to select iPhone. And then you're going to want to go ahead and select the option here to do a repair option. And then the repair option here you're going to want to do is get service. And once you get service, you can simply do any of this and that should do it for you guys. So that's going to be really simple here. You can bring it in, and then from here you can probably select like damage here and then put one that's similar to probably cable speaker adapter is not working, any of that, and either bring it or send it to repair and then explain to them what the issue is. So, or you can even chat with someone on it or schedule a call, and that will help you check the device based on the serial number there. Like we said in the past, Apple would give you the serial number lookup. Unfortunately, for this recall right now they were announcing from Apple that we just heard is that this is the only way right now you can do it. Again, this is going to be a very small percentage, and there's a couple exceptions to this. So if the phone has been damaged, like cracked or broken or something like that, you're going to have to get that fixed prior to them doing it. So what's going to happen is if your device is eligible for that, Apple is going to repair it completely free of charge, so they won't charge you at all for it to do the repair. The other thing about this underline is that it has to be within the 2 years since you purchased the device. So if you purchase it past, it's been over 2 years, Apple will not cover the repair for you. So that's going to be the underlining small print that Apple has mentioned. So hopefully if you guys have this, you guys can use this page, apple.support. Just reach out to customer service or through here and they'll help you if that no sound is an issue for your Apple iPhone 12 or the 12 Pro. So thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe button. See you guys next time.